Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power door locks are not working. So you have a button right here, so if this button is not working, and also if your key fob doesn't lock and unlock the vehicle. This video should apply to third generation of Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now, there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure the location of these fuses will be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. So I will turn the flash on my phone so we can see it better. Now, first thing to do, you have to remove this bottom cover, and to do that you have these two black screws, one here and one on the opposite side. You just want to kind of unscrew it and pull it down. Okay, and then you want to pull this cover gently down, and back there you will see the fuse box. Okay, now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F66, which is a 20 amp fuse responsible for driver door unlock supply, and this is the fuse number F66. So this yellow 20 amp fuse. So this is the first thing to check. Then the next one, we have fuse number F70, also 20 amp yellow fuse, located here, responsible for power to central lock and unlock supply. So this is your second fuse. Next one, fuse number F83, 20 amp fuse, located up here, responsible for power to central locking ground. And there is one more. And the last one will be fuse number F84, which is just under this, the previous one. So this is the fuse, 20 amp yellow fuse, responsible for driver door unlock ground. So you have total of 4 20 amp fuses to check. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.